Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I am always looking for a good quality hand soap that is also very moisturizing because my hands get so dry, especially in the winter. This hand soap from ZYFE is awesome. So not only is this an awesome hand soap that of course you can use in your bathroom, in your kitchen, wherever, it smells amazing, and it is infused with vitamins that help to protect your skin's natural moisture barrier and also just leave your hands feeling soft and smooth and not dried out. So this is the citrus bask. This is a 64-ounce refill size. So I also love that. It just kind of saves on packaging. You can just refill your own soap dispenser. And it smells incredible. This smells like you are just peeling a fresh orange whenever you wash your hands with this. It is absolutely delightful and I really love it. The soap has a nice consistency. It pours really well and it is not overly watery, but it does give you a really nice lather when you wash your hands with it. And I just absolutely love it. I love that it has several different vitamins, including vitamin E, B3, B7, vitamin C, and B5, which all just really help to promote healthy skin and make your hands feel awesome and super clean. So I can't say enough. I love this soap. It's a great addition to any home, kitchen, bathroom, wherever you need to wash your hands and also enjoy a spa-like experience at the same time. So I would definitely get your hands on this soap, and that's my point of view.